How to delete pages on Google Docs. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete pages on Google Docs. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Google Docs on your system. So I have opened it on my Chrome browser. So after you open the Google Docs, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your document, if you want to delete some pages on your Google Docs, you'll have to just select that page from here. So in my case I have this two page and I want to delete this second page. So for that you'll have to just select that second page, and from there you'll have to just select all of the text on that page, and after you select all of the text on that page you'll have to just right click on that section, and from there you'll have to just click on this delete option. Alright, so after you delete all of the text on that page you'll have to just press the backspace key on your laptop or PC. So after you press the backspace key, you'll be able to automatically redirect to the next page. So after you did that, you'll be able to easily remove the previous page from your Google Docs. So this is the easiest and simplest method to remove pages from Google Docs, as you have to clear all of the text on that second page, and after that you'll have to just press the backspace key, and from there you can easily delete that. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.